The iTaoStar L01CP Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard is an exceptional choice for those seeking balance and stability, supporting up to 450 pounds, making it perfect for solo adventures or family outings. With its innovative 5-fin system, this paddleboard offers adaptability and enhanced performance, ensuring a fun and personalized paddleboarding experience for all skill levels. Transform your paddleboard into a kayak with the included inflatable seat and foam footrest, offering a versatile and comfortable paddling experience ideal for extended adventures. Capture every moment with the built-in camera mount, perfect for action cameras and phone adapters, while the vibrant flag at the forefront adds an exciting touch to your ride. The comprehensive accessory kit includes an adjustable paddle, kayak kit, double-action pump, and various storage solutions, ensuring you have everything you need for a perfect day on the water. The Spacious 120-liter backpack is designed to carry all your gear comfortably, featuring ergonomic and adjustable straps, making it easy to transport your paddleboard and accessories.